In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best cordless chainsaws available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the cordless chainsaws mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 21V Cordless Reciprocating Saw for Makita Battery. This 21V cordless reciprocating saw delivers chainsaw-like power for cutting wood, stone, and metal. With a 40mm cutting depth, it's perfect for trimming branches and DIY projects. Powered by two 18V lithium-ion batteries, it offers extended runtime. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, making it ideal for home and workshop use. Get precision cutting with powerful performance at an unbeatable price. Number 4, 10-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw for Makita 18V Battery. Designed for smooth sawing, this 10 brushless electric chainsaw offers quick chain adjustment and an automatic oiling system. Its soft rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the wide baffle prevents wood chip splashes. The brushless motor delivers efficient cutting with reduced maintenance. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it's a great choice for DIY woodworking and home improvement projects. Number 3, VIOLEWORKS 8-inch Cordless Brushless Electric Chainsaw Kit. This VIOLEWORKS 8 cordless chainsaw is a must-have for forestry, gardening, and DIY woodworking. Its brushless motor provides strong power and fast cutting. The soft rubber handle ensures a secure grip, while the widened baffle protects against flying debris. Lightweight yet powerful, it easily handles branches and logs. Whether for home or professional use, this chainsaw delivers reliability and efficiency. Number 2, Ponbos 6-inch Brushless Chainsaw for DeWALT Batteries. The Ponbos 6-inch chainsaw is designed for DeWALT 18/20V batteries, offering a no-load speed of 6,000 RPM for fast, precise cutting. Equipped with a durable metal steel chain, it ensures long-lasting performance. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency and reduces maintenance. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for DIY home projects, cutting wood, and gardening tasks. A must-have tool for professionals and hobbyists. Number 1, 5-inch Brushless Electric Circular Saw for Makita Batteries. This 5-inch brushless electric circular saw ensures smooth, precise cuts with its sturdy metal guide and soft rubber handle. Designed for Makita 18V batteries, it features a semicircular protective cover to minimize dust. Ideal for woodworking and home DIY projects, it delivers reliable cutting performance. Lightweight yet powerful, this circular saw is a great addition to any toolkit, offering durability and precision.